Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have this beautiful Bugatti here to unbox. This is a 2020 Hot Wheels. 2016 Bugatti Chiron from the Factory Fresh series for 2020. 7 of 10. 89 of 250, and since that mainline number has a purple background, that means you know it is from 2020. See that line there, and it's purple up there for some reason. Well, that's because it's a 2020. It's also got the plastic protector there. That signifies that it's before 2021. 2020 Diecasts GHC02. If that'll focus. 16 Bugatti Chiron from the Factory Fresh series. Highly detailed cutting-edge designs. Just get in the driver's seat and prepare to turn heads. 2017 the copyright. And this is probably going to be my last single unboxing until I mass unbox a bunch of end-case Hot Wheels, including the fabled 94 Bugatti EB110 Super Sport. Well, for the meantime, let's just get this black Bugatti open. 2020 Hot Wheels. Oh, that thing is absolutely gorgeous. Nice J5 rims on that. Factory Fresh. Loving the details. Take a look at that grille. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's take a better look at those details. Here's our black 2016 Bugatti Chiron with the J5 rims in chrome. One thing I have to say about this casting is it's very wide. Got the beautiful details, the outline of the door, which is in silver. Pretty cool. Love the painting. It's a metal flake gloss black. Really loving that. This is a supercar. Very cool supercar. Can go 261 miles an hour in real life and costs just a shade under $3 million. And we got that nice grille there. Bugatti signature grille. Also really liking the back of this casting. Like the turbo engine in there. There's a V16 in this in real life. No painted taillights. I don't know if they're supposed to be there. No painted headlights, but just that grille and that nice detail. Nice, sleek little vehicle. And the base. Plastic base. It's a nice look at the Bugatti. Can't really get a good glimpse of that because my camera sucks at focusing. You can't even focus up like really close. Anyways, thanks for tuning in and subscribe for more.